Now we are on the way to chellipom, and many friends suggest me to visit once in my life the chellipom. Many times I visit the Arunachal Pradesh, but I haven't visited the chellipom. So my friends suggest me, and from many friends and from the YouTube video I have watched and heard that chellipom is a very beautiful place, and the monastery which is located at the chellipom, that is also very beautiful and a calm place, and it is very isolated. So we have took turn from the Zigao. After crossing the bridge, you come forward a little bit, and after that there is a chellipom where on the at the right side. If you go to Rupa, it will be right side. So please come and do visit chellipom. But one thing is that what I'm going to show you before reaching the chellipom, I have seen the something of very beautiful things, and which was unexpected for me, and I haven't expected. Oh, I'm going to see this beautiful the place. So please enjoy. I'm going to see the beautiful place. Please. Visiting one such a beautiful place, that is not a waste of money and not the waste of money and time. Because visiting such a beautiful place, wasting money and time, that will be can't compare with such a beautiful things. Really, that's why the poet John Keats said that the beauty of a thing is a beauty forever. I believe that what the John Keats said, because coming to such a beautiful place can't express. There is no words in our mouth and there is no such words to explain and express such beautiful. So please, friends, comes with your friends and family and spend in the midst of nature. Given by ASYWA, all Serpa Ser Tukpen Youth Welfare Association, and the three warnings are this: picnic, partying, bathing, and littering nearby this waterfall area is strictly prohibited. Legal actions along with penalty of Rs 50,000 shall be the imports against the guilty by the under mentioned organizations. Be a responsible citizens by keeping the water source clean and safe.